Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I'm going to walk you through one of our several landscape maintenance, landscape lawn care website designs. These are fast launch websites. We can have them rolled out in as fast as 24 hours, and they cost less than the price of one job. So let me walk you through. Let's just dive right into this. I'm going to kind of walk you through what you're going to get and everything that comes with it, which is a lot, including a lead management CRM, some automations, a lot of really cool stuff. So first and foremost, if you don't have a website or a logo or anything like that, and you need a website for your business, there is a link in the description of this video. Just click that and fill out the application, and we can walk you through how fast we onboard these and design your site for you. Everything you're seeing is basically a template, okay? So you can change out the text and the images, but the layout stays the same. So that's how we're able to do these so quickly. We get you a site within one day. Now, logo, we can customize a logo you have to make it, clean it up, make it better, or if you want a logo, we can do that for you and get something designed. So what we're looking at is design number one, very basic. Colors are all interchangeable. You can make the color scheme whatever you want. Headline, sub-headline, pulls up a contact box. Come down here, you have a little About Us page. Plenty of spaces for images if you want to have images on your site, or you can use our stock ones that we have that come with the site. Obviously, we encourage you guys to change the content to make it your own. Each site, it is on-page SEO optimized, so the site comes out of the box like that. A lot of different call to actions in the page. Lists out all of your services. Simple three-step process. Comes down here to a contact form box. And again, all the content is interchangeable. Colors, everything you want, right? Has your socials down here, working hours, and just a lot of cool stuff. And it's a very beautiful site and affordable, which is what's amazing about it. And it comes with several different pages, right? You can have an About Us, services, contact us page. So there's a lot of different things that we can build out here that come with the site that are simply just, you're just going to swap in your information, right? And the beautiful part about it is our team will do all of this for you, right? So once you become a client of ours, if you need anything changed or you need an image updated, anything, we have unlimited support. All you do is fire us an email and we will get that updated for you as soon as possible. So one of the coolest features that comes with these sites is something called missed call text back. Now essentially what that is, it's an automation. So I'm going to walk you through the back end real quick and just show you what it looks like. So this is something that and don't get scared, don't worry about this. This all runs automatically for you 24/7 in the background, okay? So a trigger event happens. That trigger event is somebody calls you from your website, because you're going to get a business phone number on your website. And I'll get into that in a minute. So someone calls you, and let's say you missed a call because you're on a job and you're working or something like that, or whatever the reason is. If that's somebody who's looking for a quote or something like that, you really can't miss these calls because they're going to call someone else the next 5 minutes. And I know personally firsthand because my fridge just broke like a week ago, and I called 5 appliance repair companies and nobody answered me, and 2 called me back. So I know exactly how powerful this trigger really is firsthand. All right, so someone calls you, you missed the call. Our system does its thing. It sends out a text message to start a conversation with the prospect who called you. Hey there, sorry I missed your call. How can we help? And this conversation is all housed in your back-end CRM, which I'll get to in a little bit. Just to start the conversation to keep the lead warm. And then you get 2 text notifications, okay? The first one is you have a missed call from phone number. Please reach out to them ASAP before the lead gets cold, right? The next one says, this is a text message. Hey, your name, John. You just missed a call from Kevin. Here's their phone number. Please get back to them ASAP before the lead gets cold, right? So this runs 24/7 in the background, so you don't have to worry about anything with missing calls or anything like that. Our system will take over and make sure that your calls are being handled, right? So the next thing comes up is we give you a business phone number. You get a lead management CRM where you can log in. You'll have all of your conversations, your leads. Everything is stored for you in the back end. All right, so everything's taken care of. The next thing is every lead that comes through the website, you will get text and email notifications saying, hey, you got a lead from your website, call them ASAP. All right, we have something else that's really cool, and I don't think you're going to see this anywhere else. It's an automated review management system. So essentially when a lead comes to your site and you go out and do the job, instead of now having to call the customer and ask them for a review or do it whenever you can simply just click a button in the back end of our system, and it's all in our training. If you become a client of ours, the video training for all this stuff takes you step by step. You'll press a button in the back end. It will send a text out to the person who's completed the job for and say, hey, thank you for working with us or whatever. Please leave us a review on Google. We're a local business and we need these. And it has a link in the text message that opens up your GMB with the 5-star rating immediately. And all you have to do is click it, and it goes directly to your GMB and leaves you a 5-star rating. Now, obviously, if you are a landscape business, you know how powerful the Google Map Pack is. So the more 5-star, 4-star reviews you have, the higher up the chain you're going to go in Google Maps. And eventually, if you get into one of the top 3 spots, now you're talking about you got leads calling you from Google. And that's all automated with your website that we're providing you here, right? So you're not having to worry about that anymore. And obviously, the more reviews you get, you should be doing this on every job you complete. The more reviews you get, the higher you're going to go up, and the more it's going to start like a lead generation waterfall going on from people coming from Google Maps to call you. And that all happens with getting reviews. So that's a really important thing. And the last thing we have here is unlimited support. So whatever you want to change on this site without changing the structural part of the site, but images, colors, logo, anything like that, text. Obviously, we encourage you to change out the text to your own stuff, and we'll do that for you. You don't have to worry about that, okay? All you do is email into support, tell them what you want, we will get it done for you, and our turnaround is extremely fast. We'll make sure all the buttons are click to call on mobile. This is mobile optimized as well, so it looks really, really sharp on mobile. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today for design 1. If this is a design you want for your landscaping company, just fill out that link in the description.